Product name: 9 Rolls Kids Instant Camera Refill Print Paper, Photo Printer Thermal. Paper Rolls Instant Print Camera Refill Paper, for Kids Instant Camera Favors Supplies. The product is a pack of 9 rolls of instant camera refill print paper, which can be used with various styles of kids' instant cameras. The paper is white, glossy, and high quality, and can print about 80 to 100 photos per roll. The paper can also be used as a creative canvas for drawing and coloring on printed black and white photos. Some of the pros of this product are: it is affordable and easy to buy. It comes in a convenient package that includes 9 rolls of paper. It is compatible with many kinds of instant cameras. It allows children to express their imagination and creativity. Some of the cons of this product are: it may not work well with some models of instant cameras that require different types of paper. It may not produce very clear or vivid colors on some photos. It may not last very long if used frequently or carelessly. In conclusion, this product is suitable for children who enjoy taking pictures and drawing on them. It is a fun and simple way to capture memories and unleash their artistic potential. However, it may not meet the expectations of more advanced or professional users who want better quality or variety in their photos. The product is available on Amazon from $12.59. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.